Hello guys, this is teacher David and today I'm going to explain to you the activities for week number 1. So in week number 1 we have one activity per each day, una actividad para cada día. So day 1, Monday, day 2, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Toda la semana con actividades, What is the idea? That when we finish on Friday, we finish, terminemos la semana con todas las actividades hechas, So the objective is to learn about adjectives, aprender los adjetivos. So we have effort number 1, to learn about adjectives. Effort number 2, to know the two types of adjectives. Effort number 3, pet activities and reading comprehension. Effort number 4, So in day number 1, we have, what is an adjective? Un adjetivo. A description of an animal, person, thing, or thought. Adjectives include words that describe, description, solamente descripción. Adjetivos describen. For example, in Spanish, bueno, malo, caliente, frío, limpio, sucio, peludo, pelado. So, for example, here we have a video, and in the video we are describing the monster. So the monster is green, ugly, and hairy. So a green, ugly, hairy monster, Ejemplos de adjetivos, Beautiful and long. So Chile is a beautiful and long country, Estamos definiendo la palabra country, beautiful and long country. Language, how is the language? ¿Cómo es la lengua? Difficult and useful, So here we have examples, Acá tenemos que trabajar con word reference, To know the different adjectives. No nos podemos quedar con el mismo conocimiento de sexto, quinto básico. For example, I know you know cold, sad, ugly, big, but what about shiny, colorful, smelly, scrawny, rainy, broken, creepy, bitter, Mucho, dictionary.com or wordreference.com. El primer desafío es un desafío Kahoot que tú tienes que hacer acá. Tú tienes que loguearte y es un Kahoot donde tenemos que reconocer which word is the adjective. Fireman, fire engine, red or spraying? Obviously it is red. So you go through the Kahoot, lo hacen todo. Then we have another challenge. So if you get more than 38 points, you pass the challenge, Si tienes más de 38 puntos, pasas el challenge, Acá te voy a mostrar cómo se hace, Adjectives. Which word is the adjective? TV set, book, interesting, or right? Which word is the adjective? Computer, games, expensive, or play? So you choose the adjectives. There is always one correct answer. So you go through, then part number 2, look at the pictures and choose the adjective which best represents the picture. So here we have a rabbit. Adjective: hot, cold, slow, fast, poor, rich, old, big, hard. So you choose. And part number 3, the opposite. The opposite of right is stupid, thing, female, alive, weak, wrong, late, narrow, dirty, unkind. So in these activities you can use the dictionary. So these are the activities for day number 1, Monday. Tuesday, long and short adjectives, irregular. So here we have examples: depressed, afraid, futuristic, cylindrical, dark, important, crowded, tropical, insane, fresh, cute, freezing, spicy, and all the adjectives, There are many. So in English we have 2 types of adjectives. First, watch the video, and here we have a summary. 1-syllable adjectives, 2-syllable adjectives ending in Y, they are short ones. For example, sad, 1 syllable, or happy, 2 syllables ending in Y. And the long adjectives are 2 syllables ending and any letter but not Y, yeah, and more than 2-syllable adjectives, for example, surprised or scared, yeah, and irregular adjectives in séptimo básico, only good or bad, but we're not going to use them in this activity. So once again, you have a challenge, and this challenge, it is the following. Here you have to tell me if these words are short or long adjectives. Miserable, short or long adjective. Brave, short or long. So here you have your challenge. And this is day number 2. Day number 3. And here we have order of adjectives. ¿Ya? Los adjetivos en inglés tienen que ser usados en el orden correcto, the correct order. ¿Ya? Por ejemplo, clock. Mira, acá está el clock. Here we have the clock. And these are the characteristics of the clock. A beautiful, small, old, round, white, British, silver alarm clock. Obviamente en inglés y en español no andamos hablando así todo el día. But we have to know how it is used. Yeah? So the correct order is opinion, siempre va primero la opinión, size, tamaño, age, edad, shape, color, perdón, forma, color, pues, origin, de dónde es, material y purpose, para qué lo que es, ¿ya? Y aquí te pongo un ejemplo. Yo voy a hablar del car. ¿Y cómo es mi auto? Acá tengo un ejemplo. I have a lovely, una opinión, small, tamaño, modern, edad, o sí, edad, blue, color, British, origin, steel, material, sport, car. ¿Ya? Entonces, obviamente no los puedo usar todos. Acá me salté, por ejemplo, la forma porque un auto tiene forma de auto, ¿no? Entonces sería como loco meterlo. Pero el resto es importante. A lovely, small, modern, blue, British, steel, sport car. ¿Ya? Entonces tú ves todos estos 2 videos que dan ejemplos y vamos a la actividad, al challenge que tiene que ver con esto. Donde te pongo la tablita, the order of adjectives, y tú me dices acá, what type of adjectives is this? Chilean, opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, or purpose. Yeah? Obviously, it is origin. Our origin is Chilean. So you tell me in each word and picture what type of adjectives they are. Yeah? Puedes volver atrás, ver la tablita, no problem. Después, choose the correct sentence. Once again, here you have the chart. Opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose. Puedes abrir otra pantalla incluso para poner esto. La idea es que aprendas. ¿Ya? Opinión, tamaño, edad, forma, color, origen, material y propósito. ¿Cuál es la correcta? Which one? My brother sold his beautiful blue British car, or my brother sold his beautiful British car. Beautiful blue or blue beautiful? Which one? So you see the chart and you tell me what the correct one is. ¿Ya? Ahí tienes tus actividades. Day number 3. Day number 4. Jueves. ¿Ya? Tenemos un Kahoot. Yeah, and this Kahoot is about order of adjectives. Yeah, orden de adjetivos. Choose the phrase with the adjectives in the correct order. Yeah, which one is the correct? Blue old house or blue house? ¿Cuál? Tú me dices cuál. ¿Ya? Y después un preliminary English test. ¿Ya? For you. Sorry. And very simple. Tenemos acá los cuadritos, los avisos, and you tell me What is the connection with this phrase? For example, people who saw a car drive into another car should call this number. ¿Cuál es? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Desafío, challenge for you. Then, gap sentences. Yeah. Here we have 3 words, and which one is the correct one? Martina decided to give, to have, or to play her house spring clean. ¿Cuál es? You have to tell me. Yeah. And here, part number 3, there are 5 questions in this quiz. Complete the conversations. Here we have a conversation. What is Karen like? She's nice. Yeah. Are you looking forward to your holiday? Only one correct answer. So you tell me what the correct answer is. And this is day number 4, Thursday. And finally, a Kahoot for you for Friday. Yeah, esto es un reading challenge. Tenemos acá. It is usually inside a big tent. You can see horses, lions, and clowns. Is that a restaurant, a bank, a church, or a circus? So the challenge is that you finish in a fast way, yeah? That is the challenge for Friday. So what is important here, guys, is that you complete all the activities in 1 week, que termines todas tus actividades de lunes a viernes. Esto el viernes tiene que estar listo, ¿ya? Así que los espero en la clase para el séptimo A, los espero el día jueves, séptimo B el día miércoles y séptimo C el día jueves. Por favor, no nos fallemos, hemos trabajado bastante, así que a progresar. So, see you guys, and any problem, just chat to me. Yeah, bye.